Hello everybody, and today we will see how you can make your own dot mandala tools. So the materials that you will be needing are a hot glue gun, any marker with a flat end or a flat cap. I am using Sakura paint marker, a brush with a flat end, and skewers. These are regular wooden skewers. You can easily find them in the market. We will be needing two, and a palette knife. Make sure it has a flat end, and a earbud or Q-tip. So let's begin. For the next step, make sure you have switched on your hot glue gun. We'll start with the skewer. Take the flat end of the skewer and start putting glue on the edges of the flat side. Once you've covered all the edges, start putting glue on top of the flat side. Put ample of glue and hold your skewer upside down. Let the glue flow down on itself. Do not touch it, it's hot. After holding it upside down for at least a minute, you will see a bulb-like structure or a bubble-like structure form on the edge. Before keeping down the skewer, make sure the glue is dry. Now let's repeat the same step with the brush. Put the glue on the edges and then on the flat side and hold it upside down. Now let's see how you can use them. Let's start with the skewer. Dip the tip of your skewer in paint. Make sure it's not too much. And start dotting. Can you see how perfect the dots are? Let's do it same way with the brush and the other tools. Even though we use the same technique, you can see the difference between the sizes of the dots. If you are not able to find a palette knife, you can use anything that has a flat end. For making the tiniest dots, let's use the pointed side of a skewer. After trying the pointed side, let's try with the other flat side. While using a Q-tip, you have to be very careful on how much paint you put. Just dip the tip of your Q-tip. Make sure it's just the tip. Oh wow, how perfect these dots are. Now you can easily make beautiful dot mandalas. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.